intimate tent time with Brad. Just hanging in the tent. It's raining for hours on end. It's been raining. Can't do anything. So this morning, nothing going on in the blind. No deer. Didn't see any grouse. It was drizzling a bit. The grouse don't seem to be active when it's like that. They don't flush. Got another squirrel. Bonus. Saw a couple other squirrels. All red squirrels though, no regular squirrels. I think that's all it's around here. So yeah, I'm gonna hang in the tent for a while. It's supposed to stop raining, I don't know, not until like 5 or 6, but it's letting up a bit, so I may get out there and walk around. So this is the story of the day. Rain.
Birchy. My only hope for a fire tonight is lots and lots of birchy. Glorious sunshine. I hope it stays. Just trying to get a couple more red squirrels in here. Just got one. Heard another one over here.
Okay, take 2. Get this thing going.
Oh, don't mind me just freaking the frig out. Man, I was sitting by the fire and something just started making crazy high-pitched noises really close to the fire. I'm thinking it was like coyote or something. Because I processed the squirrels that I had like right in camp. Not a good idea. Gonna sleep in the car tonight, there's no doubt. That was insane. It sounded like they were right there, just super high pitched. So I jumped in the car and cranked it on, turned on the lights. I was able to use my bear horn though, which is like super loud. I don't know if that freaked them out or what. Insane. It sounded like a baby crying, high pitched. Weird. So this front seat's looking real nice tonight. Real nice. So don't do this at home, kids. Recording and driving, not a good idea. But I'm driving home. Last night my phone died in the coldness. So whatever freaked me out last night, I realized that it is not going to like attack me. It had to have been a coyote, but it was still pretty freaky to have it that close. It was within feet, making a crazy ass noise. So I slept in the car, and because it was so cold out, and warmer in here, the top of the Jeep inside here, there's just all this condensation. And by the middle of the night, it was all just dripping on me, which felt real good. Basically getting slowly drizzled on. But, so yeah, I didn't sleep that great. I don't know, overall it was a good trip though. Got a, good scouting kind of a trip. Realized that there really isn't that much deer in that area. Probably not a real good deer hunting destination. But there are grouse. Yesterday I didn't see any though. I mean, it was raining all day, so without a dog, you're really not going to flush them in that situation. But I got a lot of squirrels, there's tons of red squirrels, and it's a cool place to camp if you want to be away from everything. There's nobody around, I didn't see one person drive down that road I was on. So if you're looking for that, it's definitely the place to go. So I'll be back. I don't know if I'll be back this year, but yeah, overall, good little trip.